Hi, this is Trini with Joe Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu. You know, when people tell me to be myself, I can't help but think of Robin Williams as a genie in the form of a little blue bee telling Aladdin just be yourself. As a part-time beekeeper, that always makes me chuckle. It's a very short but powerful message. This day and age, however, with arbitrary social constructs about what's normal and acceptable, how's anybody supposed to know what being yourself actually means? Take me for example. I'm an artsy-fartsy animal lover who absolutely uses spreadsheets to organize the madhouse that are holiday dinners so I can minimize time in the kitchen and maximize my time eating and spending time with family. Some people call me a type A nerd. Other times I'm a badass kung fu chick. Most of the time I'm just a crazy cat lady who loves analytics. These characteristics are absolutely part of who I am, but it's not all that I am. I want to be around like-minded individuals who will accept me, all of me, for who I am. So I will actively seek out people who share my ideals, my morals, my passions, and my goals. Among my circle of friends is my Kung Fu family. How amazing is that I can find an entire school of people who are working towards similar goals of health, personal growth, and professional success. Since we're all in the same boat, rowing towards the same horizon, I am completely comfortable letting out my inner me without any fear of judgment. As they say, like attracts like, and our Grandmaster Joe Rizzo and all of our students attract those who are just like us. Since we all have the same mindset, we can all grow at our own pace in a safe, judgment-free environment. So come on in for an introductory class so you can see how a supportive environment can help bring out the best in you and help you realize what it means to truly be yourself. I hope you have an amazing day and we'll see you soon.